Vande Mataram children. Today in chapter 16 we are going to continue with our next topic, that is water distribution. We will also discuss in our country India how water is distributed, and next topic that will be water management. Water management as an individual as well as the civics body, so that we can conserve our water very well. Yes, so starting with distribution of water means how water is distributed on the earth. Let's see. The distribution of water across the earth is not even due to different factors such as rainfall or climatic conditions. Some places have a high amount of water while others have scarcity of water. For example, in India, places like Rajasthan get very low rainfall and hence have less water. On the other hand, places like Meghalaya receive high rainfall and have a high amount of water. Hence, there can be times when one part of India faces floods while other is suffering from a drought-like condition. Yes children, here in this India map, it shows that various places have various amount of rainfall that can be seen in centimeter. In your textbook also you can see, if you have, the darker portion shows the good amount of rainfall in a year and the lighter one shows the less amount of water. Here you can see. Okay, so distribution of water is very uneven in India, and due to that reason some places face flood-like condition and others drought-like. Moving to our next topic, that is water management. Children, water management is very important. If we are getting good amount of water today, but we do not manage how to use it and we simply go on wasting, then even we may face crisis of water. So let's see, first point we'll discuss. No matter whether a place receive a high rainfall or low, water management is necessary to ensure that everyone gets access to an adequate amount of water. Generally, the civics authorities of a region are responsible for the adequate supply of water in that area. They generally use a well-structured pipeline system to deliver water to every house and building of the locality. Not only this, it is also a responsibility of the civics authorities to prevent wastage of water and check if their supply system is adequate or not. They have to even check the leakage of the pipelines and should be repaired immediately. Along with these authorities, every individual is also responsible for saving water and preventing it from getting wasted. Hence, we should always keep a check on how we use water in our daily life. Most of the water that we get as rainfall just flows away. The rainwater can be used to recharge the groundwater. Yes, children. Even in olden days they were using, and in present time also we are using these methods to conserve water. Second point, let's see. This is referred to as water harvesting or rainwater harvesting. Many places in India an age-old practice of water storage and water recharge like the Bawris. Bawris was this traditional way of collecting water. I'll show you picture of that also children, so you will get a correct idea what are Bawris. The Bawris are also used today. There was a time when people forget the importance of Bawris. Drip irrigation is a water saving irrigation system. In this system, water falls on the roots of the plants drop by drop by the help of pipes, so no water is wasted. We can also play an important role in saving of water. We should turn off taps while bathing and brushing. We should map the floor instead of washing. We should use a bucket instead of bathtub or shower for bathing. So children, from these points we can understand that it's not only responsibility of civics authority, even we as an individual and citizen should take care of water and we should stop its wastage. Yes children, you can see here traditional method of water storage. Here the first one shows Chand Bawri, it's in Rajasthan. There are steps and the one who is going in for the water has to step down so many steps and then can from here they can get the water. Second one also shows the Bawri, even Bawris are called as step well, at Mahadev temple in Karnataka. You can find some more Bawris in India. That will be a homework for you children.